now. Welcome. This is your daily dose of daily market wisdom with master trader Nick Santiago. I'm Kerry Lutz. It's 32923, show 479. Markets in full rally mode today, Nick.
Yeah, they're rallying up right now. We got a little bit of some backing and filling from this rally that started really right out of the open, but so far so good. You have the S&P 500 up about 0.8%, sitting right around 399 on the spiders. Cash S&P flirting with that 4,000 level, very psychological number, but it's being led by tech for the most part. We got some pretty good price action and technology, and just about every industry group is actually higher. So it's a pretty broad-based advance. Some weakness today in retail, but that's the only real weakness that I see out here. Everything else is pretty much trading higher at the moment.
All right, so semiconductors trading higher today. What does that mean?
Yeah, the semis are strong. That's a leading industry group, so everybody should always track the semiconductors. And right now, yeah, pretty good price action in Nvidia lately. That's been a very strong equity today. That's up by about 1% as we speak. You also have AMD up a little bit. That's been a very strong name. And the SMH, which is a semiconductor ETF, that's what I track. That is up almost 2%. So right now, the semis are strong. There's an old saying in the business, there's nothing wrong. If the semis fail, you better bail. So everybody should remember and learn that little nursery rhyme right there. It'll save you a lot of money. But right now, the semis are acting pretty well.
Yeah, never underestimate the power or the relevance of old nursery rhymes, right?
That's right. Some of those little jingles really come into play at times. Another group that's strong today, at least at the start, was the regional banks. They have since faded a little bit, so traders are going to have to watch that. But if the regional banks can surge up a little bit from here, that would be an important thing to watch, because everything, the lifeline of this whole market is about the banking system, right? We're a debt society. So if the banks go down, everything goes down. Right now, the KRE, which is the Regional Bank ETF that I follow, is trading up a little bit today. It's up about 0.4% as we speak. So that's still holding up. And there is potentially a little bit of upside today in that. So everybody should keep an eye on that. That's a great barometer for the actual direction of this market, both on an intraday basis and also on a daily chart basis.
All right. Hey, and gold is backing off a bit today.
Yeah, we got gold down a little bit. It's not really down that much, down about 0.25%. And again, gold futures had a pretty good day yesterday, and today they're backing off a little bit. So gold still remains in a pretty strong technical position. It is a bit overbought here. I have to tell everybody that. But it's the ultimate fear trade, and I've been calling it the new VIX. So today gold is down a little bit, which tells us risk is back on, but it's not like it's breaking down. So we're going to have to watch that gold pattern pretty closely. Despite the overbought condition, if it can consolidate, then it's telling you it wants to move higher. And if it moves higher, most likely the market will move lower.
All right. And then, of course, Bitcoin, I wonder if they'll move together or if they'll move opposing, because Bitcoin's part of the fear trade too now, right?
That's right. Bitcoin is part of the fear trade. And actually, Bitcoin's having a good day. It's trading up by over 3.5%, right around that 28,400 level. So right now, no problems really that I see with Bitcoin. The one thing I have to point out, while I do believe Bitcoin can still move a little higher in the near term, the bigger picture has not changed. So as you alluded to correctly, that is the ultimate fear trade. People are saying, hey, I'll go into Bitcoin if this banking system is going to blow up. And we've seen a really, really big surge in Bitcoin, especially if you go back and look at the 10th of March. That's when all the banks, all the problems really started there regarding the regional banks here in the U.S. And then you had the Credit Suisse news shortly after. Bitcoin really was trading around 20,000, even piercing 20,000, now back to 28,400. So it's really been part of the fear trade as well.
All right. Hey, so I guess we will sit back and see what happens with Bitcoin and gold and the rest of the market. In the meantime, go over to Nick's site, inthemoneystocks.com. See how he's beaten the averages for decades. Twitter feeds at ITMS, at Nick Santiago 01, at Kerry Lutz. Emails welcome, kl@kerrylutz.com. Make sure you put your comments down below if you're watching the YouTube video. And Nick, we'll talk to you on Friday.
Sounds good, Kerry.